लास्ट एपिसोड में हम गए काला पत्थर। मुझे एपिसोड वहीं पे ख़त्म करना पड़ा क्योंकि आई वांटेड टू डेडिकेट अ फुल व्लॉग टू गुरुदोंगमार लेक एंड माई वे टू लाचुंग। आपने वो एपिसोड देखा नहीं तो आई कार्ड पे होगा, देखना ज़रूर। हेलो एंड नमस्ते सबलाई मेरो तर्फबाट। मेरो नाम हो चन्दन शर्मा एंड वेलकम टू एपिसोड 4 द मेस्मराइजिङ गुरुदोंगमार लेक अफ द सोलो इन सिक्किम सिरिज। सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स हिट द रोड टू गुरुदोंगमार। The road to Gurudongmar is pretty rough with loose rocks and gravels and it is quite a tiring ride. पर वो कहते हैं ना, सफ़र की कठिनाइयाँ मंजिल की खूबसूरती बयां करती है। मेरे लिए तो it was a thrill ride and it was all worth it because the view throughout is just magical. At 15,000 feet before Gurudongmar, there's a checkpoint where your permits will be checked. There's also the highest cafe of the world called Cafe 15,000 operated by the army. This is the entry point to Gurudongmar Lake. So from here, Gurudongmar Lake is like, I don't know, maybe 1 hour more. I can feel the oxygen level getting low. Some people in my group, so they were kind of getting nervous and excited because of low oxygen level. It happens, The vastness of these mountains and the skies. Oh man, how small and insignificant I feel, yet so alive and in the moment. No words can describe how much I'm in love with Mother Nature and in awe of incredible beauty.
ये नज़ारा, ये मौसम हम लोग इतना क्लियर देख रहे हैं सब।
लो लकी है, बहुत लकी है, बहुत लकी है बिकॉज़ अभी 2-3 दिन पहले ये पूरा रूट बंद था तो the weather is so cool see.
And it looks like Ladakh. Yeah, seriously. Side na rago ro. Side. Ay, full excitement man. No excitement, please.
What is up guys? So this is Gurudongmar Lake. This is the place I've always wanted to come to. Finally, I'm here. This altitude is close to the base camp of Mount Everest. So you can imagine the oxygen level here. ये है the mesmerizing Gurudongmar Lake, the second highest lake of India, at an altitude of 17,800 feet. On that side, the water is frozen. I'll walk up to the frozen section of the lake, take some pictures. Let's get down. Gotta be careful. Look at the views. The most amazing thing about this lake is even in extreme temperatures of about -20 degrees Celsius in winters, some section of the lake never freezes. It is a sacred lake and the water from here is considered holy. This lake is just about 5 kilometers south of the Indo-Tibetan border and because of security reasons, foreigners are not allowed here.
Hello. Hello. How lucky we are to have come to this lake, and the weather is so freaking awesome. Oh, I really love mountains. Yeah, this place has it all. Snow-clad mountains, blue-colored lake, the frozen section of the lake. At this altitude, your brain doesn't work that much, and it's natural to have a little bit breathlessness because of low oxygen. So if you ever come to Sikkim, not Sikkim particularly, it's worth a visit to Guru Dongmar Lake. वो जाने वाले उधर पक्का देना. हाँ वो जाएंगे. सब इस सिक्किम में है ना, ओल्ड न्यू एक ही रास्ते में ना. As you can make out by my voice, a little breathless. No matter how much you love the place, it's not advisable to, stay here for more than 20-30 minutes. I suppose even normal person, it will be difficult for them. You might get into trouble. So take videos, take pictures, spend some time alone with the nature, soak in the beauty of the nature, but be back by 20-30 minutes. So surreal. The other guys, they were having problems breathing, so I've gotta go. They might be waiting for me. Time to get out of Guru Dongmar Lake, guys. Can't stay here for more than 40 minutes. I think we already spent 40 minutes here. But it was awesome. It was awesome. Worth the visit. Worth the visit. The bikers group there. Someday I'd definitely love to come here in a bike. I'll definitely work on my fitness, work on my riding skills. Maybe 2 years from now. Skipping, jogging, running, swimming, yeah.
Skipping and running,
yeah, more than enough. I mean, this gave me motivation,
Yeah. This is the experience.
I look forward to more trips in future.
And our Dada is really awesome.
Really awesome.
He always said drive. There's also our lunch.
Yeah.
हो गया तो बहुत लेट करता था. नहीं सिर्फ चाय पीना है बस और कुछ नहीं सच में प्रॉमिस. और तो चाहे अल्लाह गॉड जीसस जे আছে সবাইকে ডেকে নিতে ইচ্ছে.
हावा त यस्तो एल्टिट्युडमा पुरा चल्छ नि है. राति त कस्तो चल्छ नि. सन्दकपुमा कस्तो चल्दै थियो.
नॉर्थ सिक्किम की ट्रिप में आपका समय ज़्यादातर जर्नी में ही निकल जाएगा, तो अगर आप अपनी गाड़ी की खिड़की खोलकर पहाड़ों की ठंडी हवा और नज़ारों में डूब जाओ तो आपका सफ़र खूबसूरत ही नहीं यादगार रहेगा।
लाचन आए गए।
भैया थोड़ा गाड़ी रोक दीजिए ना, बहुत सांसने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है भैया, थोड़ा सा साइड कर दीजिए।
Before heading out for Lachung, we stopped at our hotel Nordla for a delicious lunch.
It's drizzling right now. Hey bhai, thank you for the hospitality. खाना मत या।
अपने सारे सामान लोड करने के बाद it was time to say goodbye to this beautiful part of North Sikkim and head towards Lachung. तो हम निकल गए अपनी अगली डेस्टिनेशन लाचुंग की ओर। इस बार मैं बैठा बैक सीट पे, क्योंकि अगर आपकी शेयर्ड टैक्सी है तो आपको रोटेशन बेसिस पे बैठना पड़ेगा, लेकिन आगे हो या पीछे प्रकृति के आनंद तो आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हो मेरे दोस्त। On the way to Lachung, the rain was playing hide and seek, and the beauty of the green hills and the misty mountains came alive right before our eyes.
Hello everyone, just reached Lachung. This is the hotel. I do not know the name. Aunty, ये hotel का नाम बताइए ना? Singling Valley. नाम तो ले जाना. So guys, if you come to Lachung, I mean like the tour operator that we contacted, this was the place, and the rooms are pretty awesome, and we met this guys. मजा आया. Thank you aunty. See you tomorrow.
बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया।
एक साथ
में मिलेंगे और कहीं भी।
See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Signing off for now.
I hope you like the video दोस्तों, कमेंट करके बताना ज़रूर। नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे 0 Point and Yumthang Valley। अपने ब्रो को सपोर्ट करना ना भूले। Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.